Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to create animated videos on Canva for free. In this video, we're going to show you and demonstrate how you can create simple and easy animated videos in Canva using characters. And we'll also reveal another platform for you where you can get characters completely for free. Now, let's get started. So to begin, you first need an account on Canva. As you can see, I have logged into my Canva account. So it's very simple to sign up. You can use your Google account or sign up with email, and then you will end up in this dashboard. Now to get started, you need to click on Create a Design on the top right corner. And when you click on it, you will have all these options. So these are all the things you can do and create on Canva. We are aiming at video. So click on video. This is where you'll be creating animated videos, any kind of videos, whether you want to use your own elements or the elements from Canva. This is where you will need to go. So let's click on it, and this will take you to the video editor, the canvas. So first of all, we need a character. Let's get started. You will go to the left navigation bar and click on elements. And here in the search bar, type in character. And you have characters in graphics, photos, videos, audio, etc. So we're going to go into the graphics section, click on see all, and you can see you've got tons and tons of characters that you can use for animation. So let's begin. Let's search for something really simple that'll suit our stuff. Okay, so we're just going to use this girl over here and keep her on the side. And so let's go to text really quickly, and we're going to add a heading over here. We're going to write something like welcome to this video, and I'm going to place it at the top over here, and then I'm going to add one more text, and let's write something like that, and I'm going to increase the font size just like that. Now, to animate any of the elements, you need to first click on the element. And on the top side over here, you can see we have the option called Animate. And clicking on that opens this window on the left side where you can see you've got all kind of animations. Hovering your cursor on any of these animations will show you a preview right on the canvas here. So I'm just going to give it some random effect. I'm going to give this text also a random effect. And I'm going to give the girl maybe a drift, right? And once you've animated your slide, you can just click on the play button over here and you can play it. So that's how our slide is right now. Now say we want to add one more slide over here, and let's just first change the background color to something good. And we're going to add one more text. Let's use something from here right now. I'm going to go for this one, and I'm going to ungroup it. And this one I'm going to change to step 1. I'm going to position the text at the center, change the font color to black. And now we have our second slide ready now. Another thing that you can do in Canvas is you can add an effect over here. You can add a transition between two slides by clicking on this little thingy over here. You can see that, add transition. And all these options will open on the left side. And again, if you hover your cursor, you can see that the preview will be shown on the slide itself. So I'm going to go with flow because that kind of gives a very good move to it. So let's just keep it like that. And now if you play, you can see that the character is animated, and that's how we move into our second slide. Now, if you want to animate the character itself, now for that, as I said in the intro of this video, we have a platform to reveal for you where you can create such characters but with animation. And that platform is Animaker. So Animaker, which is like this, animaker.com, is where you can create tons and tons of different kinds of animations. You've got characters and you can animate them. So on this, I've actually created an animation already. And this is an animation that I created using Animaker. As you can see, that is how it is. So I've just created this video. I'm going to do the same things over here. Like I'm going to click this text and click on the effects. So I'm going to click on pan, or let's go to another effect. Let's search for something nice. Drift. Let's keep it drift. Let's also keep this one as drift over here. And let's also give this guy a little animation, and that's also going to be drift. So we got all three drifting over here, and now let's just play it. So that's how it's going to be. You can reduce the size of this because as you can see, we've got the watermark created, so you can reduce it over here. So now if we play the video, you can see that this is how it animates itself. So now let me quickly show you how you can create this kind of a character on animaker.com. For that, let's just go to create a project, and we're going to go to Square Video, and we're going to start with blank. Now this is going to take you to the editor on animaker.com, and I should say that it's pretty similar to Canva, but here we have actual characters. So now let's go ahead and choose a character. I'm going to go to the casual characters and choose, say, this lady. And you can see that instantly when you click on the character, it gets added, and you can use these options to just drag and resize them and also reposition them. So I'm going to position it like this so that we can get rid of this watermark over here when we're going to import this animated character to our Canva timeline. Now to create an animated look for this character, you've got two options on the left side. So if you click on the character, you've got all these options on the top, and you've got actions and expressions as well on the left side. So first, let's give it an expression of star or something like that. Yeah. And let's give it an action of, say, sad or thinking. Yeah. Let's just give it a thinking one. Okay. Now we're going to resize it a little bit, and you can play your animation right over here, and you can see that's how it is. To edit the duration of the animated character, you can just click on it, and on the timeline, you can see the duration, and you can crop it, like you can trim the duration. So I'm going to keep it to somewhere around 7 seconds. Once you're done creating the animations on the character in animaker.com, you're going to go to the top right side and click on publish, where you will see this option of download video. And in the download video option, you will see you have got these options, but you need to be upgraded. So for now, you have the SD option and HD option. I'm going to go with the HD option. You also have file type, but for now, we only have the MP4 because we're in the free plan, whatever it is. And then you can click on download, and it will get exported. So the next step is the exporting of the animated character. So it has currently been exported, and if you want to get it, you just need to click on this button that says download. And you can see it's downloading right now and get downloaded. Now let's go back to our little project over here, and I'm going to add a slide. And I'm going to add that character over here. So I'm going to upload it first. So I'm going to add that character. I'm uploading it currently. And you can see that I've added the animated character over here, and it's playing like this. We chose around 7 seconds. So currently this slide, after adding the animated character, the slide has come to 15 seconds. Page 2 of our video is 15 seconds currently. And you can see that towards the end of the animation video, we have got this watermark. To remove it, you simply need to go to the timeline over here and just drag your cursor like that and trim it till the actual duration, which was 6.8 seconds or 6.7. Let's leave it like that. Now to remove this watermark from the screen, what you're going to do is click on this element and just drag it so that it doesn't show over here. And then on this side, you can add some kind of text, whatever you want to. So that's how you're going to do it. And now let's play the video from start. And that's how we had animated slide number 1. And now we've got slide number 2 with our animated character from animaker.com. With that, we have completed our tutorial on how you can create animated videos on Canva for free. We truly hope this video was helpful for you to understand the complete process. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.